To get your Spectrum Mobile eSIM QR code, you have two convenient options, using the Spectrum Mobile app or the Spectrum Mobile website. First, make sure your device is compatible and unlocked. If using the app version 4.2 or later, log in, navigate to the Activate eSIM section, and select your device. The app's AI-assisted wizard will guide you and generate the QR code. Alternatively, on the website spectrum.com/mobile, log in, go to the eSIM activation area, choose your device model, and the QR code will be displayed. This code contains encrypted data to program your eSIM. Keep in mind the QR code expires after 24 hours for security. Once you have your Spectrum Mobile eSIM QR code, activation is straightforward. For iPhones running iOS 15 or later, go to Settings, then Cellular, and tap Add Cellular Plan to scan the QR code. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, tap SIM, then download SIM to scan the code. Scan the QR code using your device's camera or QR code scanner. After scanning, follow the prompts to confirm activation. The app may require biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID. Once activated, test your connectivity to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter issues, ensure your device is updated and check app permissions. Activation typically takes under 5 minutes, faster than traditional SIM cards, especially with 5G networks. If problems persist, consult Spectrum's support resources or forums for device-specific troubleshooting.